So kids, today we had to do percentage. Okay, okay, Binu, today we had to do what? Percentage. So as you know, you start to learn percentage in grade 8. Then you develop that up to grade 9. Then in grade 9 you start to learn how to calculate questions related with discount, commission, profit and loss. Then when you are coming to Kutala grade 10, you learned about income tax, profit, VAT, rates, and what is that? Interest for a bank loan. When you are moving to grade 11, you have to develop that up to what we do. You have developed that up to reducing balance and compound interest. I couldn't mention that compound interest part in your message. Okay, compound interest. So there's difference in our syllabus and the Cambridge syllabus or Edexcel, British syllabus. So British syllabus, they are learning these steps, everything together as a whole lesson. But in Sri Lankan syllabus, our local syllabus, we are learning that as a kind of different sections in different years of our grades. Is that good or bad? A question. Aroshen, Denuka, Dinesh, Vishwidinal. Amude, is that good or bad? Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. But it is having a highest chance to say that it is bad. Okay, so what to do? We have to accept that and we have to learn. Okay, so under percentage, I know that percentage part is difficult for you all because you are not having a kind of right idea about how to do this. You are learning these percentage questions from different ways in different teachers. I know in private schools, teachers are transferring, teachers are changing. Like different constellations in different periods of the year. Not constellations, zodiac. In different periods of the year, you are seeing, you are coming to different zodiac. Like that, you are getting different teachers. Am I correct, Putala? Because of that, the teachers that they are having different style of teaching, you are getting jumbled about this percentage part. But try to get a unique method to learn this. Remove that your all other previous stuff unnecessary, not unnecessary, I cannot say like that. Remove that all other previous steps of percentage, previous ways of you are doing. You did that percentage questions. You have to keep these ways I'm going to teach you. I cannot say that it's unnecessary. Those methods can be good, correct, but you have to get a unique and a kind of correct method to do all calculations as a whole. Okay, got it, Lagdin? So under percentage, I'm going to discuss with you for the grade 9 month. Grade 9 month. Why do you need grade 9 month, my dear all kids? Do you need grade 9 month? What is it? Alagdi? Dinuvi, I think you are from Sirimau. Adinu? Roshe? Dinuka? Hatakana no one month. Avani? Dinuka? Isuli? Muna? Tilina? Why do you need Uvindu high? Why do you need grade 9 months? Because grade 9 questions are asking in your paper 1 to within the 25 questions. In your oral paper. So that's why you have to learn that. In grade 9, you learned about profit first. Profit. You have to use, there are 2 equations for the profit one. Remember these equations. All of the equations are developed. That base is, it is having a common base. It can be either profit, it can be commission, it can be interest, it can be discount. All of that equations are having a common origin. If you are going through, if you are remembering that common origin, it is easy for you to remember. තේරුණාද පුතාලා මම කිව්වද? ඕගොල්ලෝ ඒ origin එක ඕගොල්ලෝ හැදිච්ච විදිහ තේරුම් ගත්තොත් equation එක මතක තියාගන්න ලේසි. අපි බලමු. Profit equation is profit equals cost into x over 100. Here x means what? X means මෙතන x කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Profit percentage. අහගන්න පුතේ profit percentage. If someone says that profit percentage is 20, then x is 20 over 100. If someone says that profit percentage is 5, then x is 5 over 100. Got it? So in this question, you have to consider about three variables. Three variables can pattern on three things, three objects. What are they? Profit, cost, and the percentage. Profit, cost, and the percentage. Then ඔය තුනෙන් දෙන්නෙක් දන්නවා එක්කෙනෙක් හොයන්න කියලා. Within these two, they will tell you to find one if you know two. So you have to remember about the equation. Try to substitute data and try to find the unknown thing. Did you get what I said, guys? Any problem? අහන්න දේවල් තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. Now this is the first equation you have to remember. Then I'll give you a kind of question. Cost is 2,000 rupees. Now purchase it for an object. Purchased for 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees and sold it for 2,400 rupees. 2,400 rupees. Calculate the percentage of profit. Calculate the percentage of profit. How to do this? Now here you have to gather what are the data you know. What are the data you know? What are the data you know? 2,000 is what? Purchasing price. Purchasing price is what? Labdi. කතා කරන්නකො ළමයි. තිලින purchasing price is what? උවිඳු සම්මිත මනුල
2,000 rupees.
2,000. එහෙනම් මට දාන්න පුළුවන් මේකට data. 2,000 is the purchasing price. That is the cost. Percentage of profit again x තමයි මම දන්නේ. X over 100 equal how much is the profit? You purchased that for 2,000, sold that for 2,400. Wow, how much is the profit? Profit means excess amount you gain by selling it. A business. And how much is the profit?
400 rupees.
400 rupees. And profit take 400. Here you have to subject x. Before you are subjecting, you can see that 0 to 00, you can cut. Then you can have 400 equals 20x. බලන්න පුතේ simplification part එක ගන්නදී මේ method එක through යන්න නේද lazy. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ පුතේ කොහෙන් හරි අහුලගත්ත method එකක් තියාගෙන මොකක් දුන්නත් ඒකමයි කරන්නේ. selling price එක දුන්නත් that into 5 over 100 දාන්න. cost එකක් දුන්නත් that into 5 over 100. කවුමෙට හරි selling price එක දීලා පුතේ මොකක් හරි මගුලක් ඇහුවොත් ඒ උත්තරේ වැරදි. හරි. කවුමෙට හරි අනිවාර්යෙන් අහන්නේ ඒක. තේරුණාද? එතකොට you have to subject x that means you have to remove 20, divide by 20, divide by 20. It is giving you how much? 0 to 0 cancel, 2 to 4 cancel 2. It is giving you x equals how much? 20%. X equals how much? 20%. Is that anyone here who didn't get this? Lagdin, Tevunada, Uvindu, raise your hand if you didn't get that. උවිදු හරි නේද? Then can I erase this line? Okay. Then I have to develop this equation into another format. I have to develop this equation into another format. What is that? Selling price format. Selling price format. Selling price. Selling price means it is also cost into what is the percentage of selling price. Is that anyone here can please tell me what is the percentage of selling price? What is the percentage of selling price? You need, if selling price is 5%, if profit is 5%, if the percentage of profit is 5%, what is the percentage of selling price?
105%.
105.
105%.
105%. If the percentage of profit is 20%, what is the percentage of selling price?
120.
If the percentage of profit is 30%, what is the percentage of selling price?
130.
130. Got it? So percentage of selling price you have to develop by yourself. And now if we are using selling price here, then cost into percentage of selling price is 100 plus x over 100. Get percentage of profit 5 now, percentage of selling price කියන්නේ 105%. කියන්නේ 5 එක 100 වලට add කරලා ගන්න. loss එකක් නම් මොකද කරන්නේ? loss එකක් නම් minus කරනවා. තේරුණාද? ඒ loss එකක් නම් පාඩුවක්. එහෙනම් add කරන්න බෑ. තේරුණාද? got it Ethan? plugged in?
Yes.
ඉසුලි? තිලින?
Yes. Sir.
Uvidu? Then you have to remember this equation. You don't need to actually remember this. Develop this by yourself. Make ආරම් හදාගන්න. Then I have to give you a question. මෙන්න මේ question එක තමයි අහන්නේ. This question is asking in your exam. They are not asking that kind of easy question. They are asking this kind of difficult question. Not difficult. The problem is you don't know how to manage data to get the answer. Selling price, an object, a seller is going to sell an object by keeping 20% profit. If the selling price is 36,000 rupees, find the price it purchased by seller from producer. Do it. Do it. Do it. Now, which equation you had used for this question? This question is dealing with what? Selling price. Then can you use first equation? This question is dealing with selling price. Selling price. This question is dealing with what? Selling price. This question is dealing with what? Selling price. This question is dealing with selling price. Now can you use first equation? Can't. Then you have to use what? This. Now you have to put data. Now you have to put data. Because you have to ask, then I can teach you. Then others who are watching this video can also understand. Okay, Visinu? So Visinu kata karane.
Okay.
Lagdin, Tevena Lagdin.
Yes, sir.
Then selling price is 36,000. Cost you don't know. Cost එක තමයි අපි දන්නේ. Into 100 plus 20 over 100. බලන්න මම හදගෙන පුළුවන් අය හදාගෙන යන්න. අනිත් අය බලන්න. Then I can write this 36,000 equals 120. If you add these two, it is 120 x over 100. 120 x over 100. Got it, guys? Okay, Ravindu. Good. But Ravindu, purchasing price cannot be more than selling price. Make a part of it.
එතකොට අරකෙන් අරක අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ නේද?
නෑ ඒක තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ වරද්ද ගත්තේ. දැන් මෙතන මම කෙලින්ම ගත්ත selling price equation එක. මෙතන මම දන්නේ selling price එක. I know the selling price. අඩු කරන්න ඕනේ නෑ. I know the selling price. ඔයා හොයලා තියෙන්නේ නෑ 43000 ගාණක් එන්න බෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලා හොයලා තියෙන්නේ පුතේ මේකේ වෙනස් විදියක්. අඩු කරන්න නෑ පුතේ එන්න. එතකොට cut this. මෙයාට මෙයාව cut කරන්න. Then you can have 36,000 උත්තරේ ගත්තේ දාන්න 12x over 10. හරිද තිලින? Oh, බලමු 12x over 10. You have to remove this 10, therefore you have to divide this by 10. Then 10 to 10 cancel. This side also you have to multiply by 10. Sorry, you have to remove this 10, so you have to multiply by 10. You have to remove this 10, so you have to multiply by 10. Then this side also you have to multiply by 10. So here 10 to 10, 10 to 10 cancel. Then here you have to multiply by 10. To remove this 12, you have to divide it by 12. You have to divide that side by 12. Then you can see 12 to 12 cancel. That means in an equation, you know, when you are simplifying this, if you need to remove that from that side, you have to do the opposite. Here, this expression divided by 10, I had to remove this, so I multiplied that by 10. I did the opposite. X multiplied by 12, I had to remove that 12, so I divided that by 12. I did the opposite. So this side also I have to divide by 12. Got it, guys? ළමයි තේරුණාද? තේරුණාද ළමයි? උවින්දු, තිලින, raise your hand if you didn't get this part. නිදි මරාගෙන ඉන්න එකේ පුතේ තේරුම් නැත්නම් අහන්න අපරාධ.
තේරුණා සර්.
හරි පෙට්ටි. Raise your hand and ask it please. කවුද අතුස්සන්නේ නැහැ නේ කියන ඔක්කොටම තේරිලා. ෂා මගුල්. Roshan, did you get this පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then this 12 to 36 you can cancel, it is 3. Then 3,000 into 10 is what? 30,000 is the price that seller purchased it from producer. Now seller purchased that from producer is how much? 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees, not 36,000, not 43,000. Okay. බලන්න පුතේ කොතනද වැරදුනේ කියලා. Raise your hand and ask if you have any problem. A simple question. You learned that in grade 9. But the thing is, the most students can't substitute data into the equation and simplify it. That is the problem. I told you that selling price equals cost into 100 plus x over 100 because selling price means it is 120x. 120x. Because selling price, profit you are going to sell that more than the purchasing price. So 120. So I substitute data. Selling price is 36,000 equals cost is x. I don't know. 100 plus percentage of profit they given as 20. 20 over 100. Then you can have 36,000 equals 120x over 100. Then I remove this 100 by I cut this 0 to 0. Then I got 12x over 10. I remove this 10 by multiplying. Remove this 12 by dividing. Then this side also divide by 12 multiply by 10. Then 12 to 36 cancel. It's 3 here. 3,000 into 10 is 30,000. Did you get this, my dear students? Denuka? How could they Denu, Anna Denuka? Ask that if you have any problem. Oh, your profit take 6,000. How is Denuka? Profit take never. I ask you what is the price that seller purchased that from producer. I didn't ask the profit. I asked you purchasing price cost. Got it Denuka? Got it Denuka? Raise your hand if you didn't get this. I know that there are students who didn't get this. Sanit, maybe Sinu? Saniru? Seniru? Viat? Nimsara? Hari. Next one. It is a loss. This is a loss. Loss. Loss කියන්නේ පාඩුවක් නේ? පාඩුවක්. A seller purchased a pair of shoes from a producer for 2,000 rupees and sold it for 1,800 rupees. Calculate the percentage of loss. Well, what is the equation most convenient to use for you? Which equation is most suitable to use, Yulanga? Yulanga, which equation is most suitable to use? Selling price equation or profit equation? Selling price equation or profit equation? This is not profit, this is loss, but you can use the same equation.
Profit equation.
Are they?
Profit equation.
Nah. I put it here, they are telling you about and sold it for. Selling price is
Loss.
මොන equation එකද lazy අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න. මොන equation එකද lazy අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න. So our profit equation එකෙන් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. Selling price equation එකෙන් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. දෙකෙන්ම මේක ගන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි selling price එකෙන් ගත්තා නම් lazy. කෙලින්ම උත්තර වෙනවා. පැහැදිලිද? අපි ඕනනම් profit equation එක හදලා බලමු. Profit equation එක හදලා බලමු. මවුලක් නැහැ. Here it is not profit, it is loss. Here it is not profit, it is loss. Here it is not profit, it is loss. Equal same way cost into x over 100. මට කියන්න පුතේ how much is the loss? Purchased that for 2,000, sold that for 1,800.
200.
200 is the loss. In a substitute data. Cost is how much?
2,000.
2,000, not 1,800. Cost is 2,000. Into x over 100. Then cut 0 to 0. What do I know? 200 equals 20x. This side divided by 20. This side divided by 20. All we can make a discount commission වලට තවත් ඒ වෙනවා. මොකද එකම විදිහට equations ටික behave වෙයි. Go profit the loss the then discount කියන්නේ අපිට loss වගේම තමයි. හොඳයි? ඔර කීයද එන්නේ? X equals 10%. X equals 10%. කටුලට පස්සේ x equals 10%. Now loss is how much? Percentage of loss is 10%. Got it, Yulanga? Give me a message. Aditya, hello, Mohammed. Viat, Seniru, Sanuli. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But try to remember my equation. Actually, you don't need to remember. You have to develop them. That's why I told you it is having a common origin. Let's see about discount. Then you can understand. Give me a minute. Copy this, Puta. Aludala. Then discount. Come here. Next one, discount. Discount. Then discount is what? Like loss. I told you, discount is like loss. Hard work again. Then discount equation is what? Discount we are considering for, in the profit we consider for cost, no? Discount we are considering for what? Mark price. Like that your label price. If you are going to purchase a t-shirt, the price in the tag, mark price. The price in the label, mark price. Got it? Into X over 100. Here X means what? Percentage of discount. Got it, Putala? Sinuli? Terunada? Janud? Okay. Tirina? So discount equals mark price into X over 100. So remember this equation. Then in the discount case, what is the percentage of selling price? If I have to develop this into selling price, make up the selling price develop selling price equals mark price
minus discount.
Yes. If you are going to sell that, you have to sell that less than the mark price. Example, if the discount percentage is 20, what is the percentage of selling price?
80%.
80. If the discount percentage is 5, what is the percentage of selling price? 95. Got it, Tilina? Senibu? Like that, selling price equals mark price into develop this 100 not plus 6, 100 minus 6 over 100. 100 minus 6 over 100. You have to remember only this. This one you have to develop by your own. Remember only this. Develop this by your own. Make a mataka tiyaganna, make a okolo hadaganna. Therunada? Enam question selling price of an item in a shop under 20% discount is 9,600 rupees. 9,600 rupees. 9,600 rupees. Calculate the mark price. Which equation we have to choose? This equation or this equation? This equation or this equation? Which equation we have to choose? Which equation you have to choose? This or this? This or this? This or this?
Second one.
Second one. Because they given the selling price. They given the percentage of discount. Selling price, discount, ask the mark price. But the combination in selling price, discount percentage, mark price. Combination given, selling price given, discount percentage, X given, asking the mark price. That kind of the equation select an idea. Combination given the selling price, discount percentage given, 20 given, asking this in a combination is selling price, mark price. This means second equation. Selimu?
How, sir?
Sanuni, Yulaka, Tevanone, Visinu?
Yes, sir.
If you participate for this seminar, if you recover this step, definitely you can have 12 marks for your O-level paper. 12 marks can see a higher. It's a grade higher than 30. Some of us see this is 14 marks out of 200. That means 7 out of 100. Percentage in extra questions. Do it. Selling price, the ones who can read it first, then try to do it by yourself. I'll give you time. Oh, man, Sadev, no, Sadev. Sadev, are you there? Sadev? 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 Tanvi, did you get this, Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Then how to substitute data? Selling price is 9,600. But mark price is what? Don't know. Api adama X කියලා. My into 100 minus percentage of discount is 20. කියන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ නම් 80 කියලා දැම්ම නම් හරි කෙලින්ම. මෙතන මේ 100 minus 20 දාන්න එපා පැටලෙනවනේ කෙලින්ම 80 දාන්න. Then 9,600 equals 80x. 80x over 100. 80x over 100. 80x over 100. Then 0 to 0 cancel. Then you can have 9,600 equals 8x over 100. 10. 8x over 10. How to remove 10? 10 divided. How to remove 10? You have to multiply. This side also you have to multiply. When 10 to 10, then cancel. 8 multiplied with x. How to remove 8? Divide. 8 to 8 cancel. And this side also divide by 8. Then x subjected. How much is x? This to this you can cancel. That means 8 to 96 you can cut. 12. So it is 120. 12.
discount around 12,000 in the room.
Oh, 12,000. 12,000. Discount can mark price is 12,000. How did I tell you? Kirina?
තමයි ආයුෂ.
Hurry. $12,000. So mark price is how much? 12,000. They marked it. They labeled it at 12,000. But finally they are selling it for 9,600 under 20% discount. Got it, guys? තේරුණාද ළමයි? තේරුණාද ළමයි? Can I erase this? Can I erase this? Then discount is over. Is that any problem in the discount case, Putala? Is that any problem in the discount case, Putala? Is that any problem in the discount case, Lamai? තේරුම් නැති අය ඉන්නවද? Tanvi, Aditya? Tilina, Januda, Vihas, Imiyuru, Yulanga, Pisino, Lagdil, Viat.
Understood.
Okay. Then we have to move for the commission. Commission means what? It's a broker charge. Commission charged by a broker. Think that if you are a landowner, you need to sell a land. Then the buyer is going to find and going to contact by whom? By a kind of third party. By a third party. Then the third party is going to contact you. You are the landowner and the buyer. Third party is going to contact you and the buyer. Then third party is telling well baila for the buyer and our land patter. Watu ulpata watu galano minimum goose gala watu in. Ho gala watu and the balati kalu gala. Ne. Ida me pude balati ho gala watu again. Our gatta minya haval balati yata kalu gala. Ne. Abu ahu vela. And never get up. But pude that third party we called as a broker. Broker is charging a kind of amount that we called as commission. Broker is charging a kind of amount that we called as the commission. But commission equation commission equals commission we are considering for selling price. Commission we are considering for selling price into x over 100. X is a percentage of commission. Make a good up we consider first equation with second equation develop own develop own remaining amount remaining amount equals AK selling price into 100 minus x over 100. Remaining amount kya commission percentage own make develop but most of time they are not asking questions from this. Most of time, but I don't know. It depends on your school. Okay. Okay. Question. ₹2,000 owned by a broker as a commission for selling a land under 10% commission. Calculate the selling price. Calculate the selling price of the land. Calculate the selling price of the land. Calculate the selling price of the land. Okay, can I do it for you? So this is where they are calculating selling price. That means they are asking about this. You know this. They are asking about this. You know the commission. So which equation you had to use? This. Then you have to put data. Commission is 2000 equals selling price you don't know into 10 over 100 is the commission. Table the equation you select a video. Then this 0 to 0 cancel. Then 2000 equals filling 1 over 10 x. Yulanga, can you understand? Tanvi, Pudala, most of students told me that they are having the problem in the percentage. I know that you are having the problem because you jumble this with lot of teachers. Good teachers like grade 7 එක teacher කෙනෙක් එක කරනවා ඒක ටික grade 8 තව teacher කෙනෙක් එක කරනවා methods ගොඩක් ඒකයි මම කිව්වේ මුලින් ඉගෙන ගන්න ටික අමතක කරලා වාඩි වෙන්න කියලා මම කිව්වා නේද ටන්නේ then you can understand but if you are keeping that thing that previous stuffs in your mind and if you are participating with this you can't understand පැහැදිලිද පුතේ got it Yulanga so it is how much multiply this by 10 to remove this 10 multiply by 10 so it is giving you 20,000 is the selling price of the land 20,000 is the selling price of the land simple question තේරුණාද okay Yulanga shall we move to the next steps we have to cover a lot of neda visinu Aditya can I erase this lamai
Yes.
okay next one discount over profit over loss over and commission over next one we have to learn about simple interest who the interest is charging by the bank or sometimes you have to pay an interest for the bank. What are the two occasions? Mukada bude occasions. Munada bude occasions dekh. A situation dekh mukada. At what situation you have to pay an interest to the bank? Then හිතන්න පුතේ
මේ නිට් එක
yeah deposit and loans very good deposit and loan පුතේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ loan එකක් ගත්තොත් තින්න දැන් තිල්ලන සල්ලි මදි වෙලා නේද වියත්ගෙන් ඉල්ල ගන්නවා මචං can I have 50,000 rupees as a loan වියත් කියන okay මචං දෙන්නම් බා කියනවා so you have to pay an interest for Viyat because you borrowed a loan you obtained a loan and loan ekakadi you have to pay the interest එහෙනම් ඔයා බැංකුවෙන් loan එකක් ගත්තොත් ඔයා bank එකට interest එක දෙන්න ඕනේ ඔන්න බලන්න loan එක that's a loan if you deposit amount in a bank බැංකුවේ සල්ලි දැම්මොත් if you deposit money in a bank then bank pays you an interest දෙකටම කියන්නේ interest so interest is having vice versa a meaning either sides a beneficial meaning and a non-beneficial meaning if you are obtaining a money if you are getting a price it is a benefit for you if you are losing the money it is a non-benefit for you තේරුණාද කියපුදේ ආජානිදු දනුද පුතේ ආදිත්‍ය තේරුණාද පුතා තේරුණාද ඔය ඉන්ට්‍රෙස්ට් කියන කතාව ඕක තේරුණාද ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ඉන්ට්‍රෙස්ට් කියන එක පුතේ ඩිපොසිට් එකයි ලෝන් එකයි එක්ක වෙනස් වෙනවා ලෝන් එකේදී එකම වචනේ ලෝන් එකේදී පුතේ ඔයා බැංකුවට ඉන්ට්‍රෙස්ට් එක ගෙවනවා ඩිපොසිට් එකේදී බැංකුවෙන් ඔයාට ඉන්ට්‍රෙස්ට් එක දෙනවා හැබැයි වචනේ එකමයි transfer වෙන side එක විතරයි වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නේද මිසින්? side එක විතරයි මාරු වෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් interest we are calculating for what? දැන් බලන්න interest එක හොයන්න අර එකම equation එක. Interest we are calculating for what? For what? Loan amount. එහෙම නැත්නම් O capital. Capital means what? එහෙනම් අපි කියන principal. මේ දෙකටම කියන අපේ principal. ඒක common word එක. Principal. Principal means not your school principal. Who's this principal? Amount you deposited or amount you borrowed from a bank. Amount you deposited in a bank or amount you borrowed from a bank. ඔයකට තමයි මේ principal කියලා කියන්නේ. ඔය කොමර්ස් ඉගෙන ගන්න අය දන්නේ. Amount deposited in a bank or borrowed from a bank called as principal. එහෙනම් principal into x over 100 දැන් බලන්න profit එකේදී profit equals cost into x over 100 discount එකේදී discount equals mark price into x over 100 commission එකේදී commission equals selling price into x over 100 interest එකේදී principal into x over 100 same equation and we are changing in different ways. Got it? So it is easy to remember. It is easy to remember. Now, total amount. Total amount equals that. Make him again. You can't get this. Make him again. You can't get like that. This is the equation. Okay? Equation. Question. Nimal obtained a loan on a loan of 30,000 rupees from a bank under 3% annual interest rate. How much he needs to pay back if he supposed to settle that within 3 years. How much he needs to pay back if he supposed to settle that within 3 years? How much he needs to pay back if he supposed to settle that within 3 years? ඔය අහන total එක නේ. අවුරුදු 3කට ගෙවන්න total එක. කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? හිතන්න. Annual interest is 3%. එහෙනම් මෙතන interest is annual. අවුරුද්දකට තමයි අපි මේ හොයන්නේ. Principal එක 30,000. X is 3 over 100. Interest you are obtaining for a year. The interest you are obtaining for a year. And for 3 years means what you have to do? For 3 years means what you have to do? For 3 years means what you have to do? Then
Multiply by 3.
Multiply by 3. Put data, substitute data into the equation. Principal is 30,000. X is 3 over 100. Calculate interest. Then that interest is for 1 year. Why? Because I said that 3% annual. Annual means 1 year. Annual for 1 year. Annual interest. That means this interest you are obtaining for 1 year. Then you have to find it for 3 years. Multiply this answer interest by 3. Then you are getting interest for 3 years. What is the total amount you have to pay back? Not only the interest. Interest එක ඉදවගල shape වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? දෙයි කනට එක. නේද පුතේ? Yes, good. දෙයි කනට එක. You have to pay back total is how much? 3 years interest plus 30,000 loan amount. තේරුණාද? හතර. ඔයගොල්ලෝ එන්නේ අන්තිමට. So I have to do this for you. Interest equals 30,000 into 3 over 100. It is how much? Cut. Then you can
සර්
have.
අතන 1 එකක් අඩු එක 0 එකක් අඩු.
Okay. Then cut. Then 300 into 3, 900. Now 1 year interest is 900. Then 3 year interest is how much? 900 into 3. That means 2,700 is the interest for 3 years. Interest for 3 years is 2,700. But total amount is 2,700 plus 30,000. You know, 32,700 is the total amount he needs to pay back to settle the loan. තේරුණාද? Yulanga? Martina, හරි පුතේ කොහොමද? දිනේ? සූර්යා? උවිදු තේරුණාද පුතේ? විසිනු, සෙන්දිරු, වියත්?
Yes, sir.
අල්පටි. දෙනුක, ලක්දින්, රවිදු?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay. That interest is also over. අපි grade 10 එකේ නවත්තමුවා. grade 10 එකේ නවත්තමුද? grade 11 ට ඊළඟ දවසේ කරමු. Now we are moving for grade 10. Now we are moving for grade 10. Next one, rate. What is the meaning of rate? think that you have a house. You have a house. That municipal council of your house is charging a good at grade 9 lamai gihilla visinuma baluwe ekai grade 9 na left. Hari municipal council of your house kamana apne grade 9 එකට අවශ්‍ය නැහැ යන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. කැමති නම් ඒ නවුලක් නැහැ හිටියයි කියලා වැඩි වෙන්නේ නැහැ. කැමති නම් ඒ නවුලක් නැහැ. මොකද ඔයාලට grade 9 වල තියෙන්නේ commission, profit, discount, interest විතරයි. නේද පුතේ? ඔය ටික මට මතකද interest එකක් නැහැ. මට මතක හැටියට. interest එක නැහැ නේද grade 9 ළමයි. අපි interest එක හිතගෙන ගත්තේ නැහැ නේ. ආපුතේ?
නෑ සර්.
නෑ නේ interest එකක් නැහැ. 3යි තිබ්බේ. පව්. පොඩ්ඩයි නේ. දැන් යන grade 10 ටික අපි grade 10 ටික කවර් කරගමු. කැමති අය ඉන්න හොඳ අවුලක් නැහැ. හොඳයි ඉන්න එක. Rate. පුතේ rate. What is the meaning of rate? ඔයාලගේ ගෙදර පිටියේ ගෙදර දොර ගාව උඩ ගහලා දෙනවා වතු පාට ස්ටික් එකක්. සිංහලෙන් කියනවා වරිපණම් බදු. Rate. Municipal council of your urban area. Urban area. You are from an urban area. The municipal council, the urban council, not urban council, municipal council, I don't know any council. Okay. That council of the municipal council kila begin my dear. Nagar Sabha urban council also same, no? I don't know the difference of this. That council of the urban area, municipal council, is charging a kind of tax from your house. That one we called as what? Rate. They are charging that from your house for a kind of assessed value. That means they are coming to your house and they are valuated your house. Think that example, if Visinu's house is, if that first Visinu's house is not developed one, under constructed one, that means it is not having a washroom. Infrastructure facilities are low. Not a place to put dung. No toilet. No place to bath. No place to cook. No place to poop. The infrastructure facilities are low. That kind of houses are assessing under low rate. After a year, once that business tag comes, they are going to develop the house. Then they are going to develop it for a 1 story and 2 stories. Then the municipal council agents are coming to your house and they are getting a survey. They are doing a survey and they are improving the assessed value of your house, increasing the assessed value of your house. So in that rate one, percentage calculated for what? Assessed annual value of the house. A constant valuation given by municipal council of the area. තේරුණාද? යටින් ජබාව ටිකක් දුන්නා නම් ගෙදර ගාන පොඩ්ඩක් අඩු කරලා දාගන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි හොඳ වැඩක්ද? නෑ. The amount you have to pay that as a tax, as a rate to the government council, they are using that to give you facilities, roadside lights, ridges and furrows around your roads. නේද? එක එක facilities දෙනවා. තාර ටික දානවා, කාපට් දානවා. ඕ දාන්නේ සල්ලි වලින්. නැත්නම් මේ මිනිසුන්ට ගවර්න්මන්ට් එකට උඩින් පාත් දෙන්නේ නැහැ රුපියල්. නේද? ඩොලර් නැති උනාට. නේ? ඒකට ඒව දාන්නේ ඔක්කොම කරන්නේ පාරේ ලයිට් එක පවා දාන්නේ ඔයගලගේ සල්ලි වලින්. But definitely you have to pay the rate to the government. But අම්මිගෙන් අහන්න අම්මි ගෙදරට රේට් ගෙවුවේ නැත්නම් ඕගොල්ලෝ ගිහලා කියන අපේ අම්මි රේට් ගෙවන්නේ නැහැ කියලා තිබුණා. කියනවාද? කිලින? ආවුදේ? You have to say that. Okay. So rate we are calculating for assessed annual value. Assessed annual value into x over 100. Rate we are calculating for assessed annual value. That is a kind of unique value given to your house by the municipal council of your area. I told you, as I told you, they are going to update this year to year. That means your previous year assessed annual value is not same as this year. Next year it is more than this. After next year, they are updating it. So don't let them to come inside your house. Keep them away from your gate. So you have to put a kind of board. Do not enter evaluators. Got it? Come here. Wait. This is the equation. But wait, we are not paying that in that entire amount. We are not paying weight as a whole. We are not paying rate as a whole. Complete amount we are paying weight as a quarter. Quarter means you know that quarter means 1/4. 1/4. Quarter means 1/4. That means you are going to divide that the rate you calculated here into 4, and 1/4 of the rate you calculated we called as what? Quarter. Got it, guys? Understood this equation?
Yes, sir.
Is there any student here, Telina, can tell me quarter means how many months?
4
The
months.
rate එක දෙන්නේ අවුරුද්දටනේ. rate එකක් කියන්නේ අවුරුද්දටනේ. quarter එකක් කියන්නේ පුතේ 4 වෙනි එකනේ 1/4 නේ. එහෙනම්
3 months.
quarter means how many months?
3.
3 months. නේද විදු? 3 months. Everyday you are going to divide that entire 12 months of the year into 4 parts. එහෙනම් quarter means 3 months. Got it? ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් දැනගන්න. තේරුණාද විදු? මේක තේරුනේ තියත් උස්සන raise your hand if you didn't get this. Raise your hand if you didn't get this. Martina, තේරුණාද? සෙනිවු වියත් විදු සූර්යා සනුති විසිනු ලක්දින් දහම්දි.
Yes, sir.
Quarter. Copy this. Then I had to give you a question. The quarter of a house is 400 rupees. Percentage of weight charged by a certain urban council is 8%. Calculate the assessed annual value of the house. Calculate the assessed annual value of the house. Do it. First you have to convert quarter into weight. Because to substitute that weight into equation, I don't need quarter. I have to convert this into weight. So what you have to do? You have to multiply this weight by quarter by 4. And our weight is how much? 400 into 4. Weight is how much? 400 quarter into 4. Quarter into 4. Quarter into 4. Okay guys, quarter into 4 is weight equals assessed annual value you don't know, then percentage of weight is 8%. Then to remove this 100, you have to multiply that by 100, cut. This side also multiply by 100. To remove this 8, divide by 8, cut, divide that by 8. Then 8 to 40 cancel, 5. 5 into 4, 20. Double 0. X is how much? 2000 rupees. X is how much? Uvindu, very good. 2000 rupees. And our assessed annual value of the house is how much? 2000 rupees. And the infrastructure facilities, infrastructure facilities, 2000 rupees. Samanani, Ogan girl, Balanputi, Amagavati, Tatagavati. Assessed annual value of municipal council. Okay, guys. Can I erase this? Mahansir cut it. Do you want to display anything? Huh? Wait, is done. We do comedy. Haligi. Nedu.
Oh, sir. Hondai in. Oh, sir.
Income tax. Okay, Baba. Income tax. Next one. Income tax. Do you know that income tax is calculating for the person's income into x over 100? For the person's income into x over 100. Income tax is calculating for the person's income into percentage of tax. What about income tax calculating for income? Profit calculated for cost. Rate calculated for assessed annual value. Discount calculated for market price. Commission calculated for selling price. Lazy. But income tax calculated section wise. Income tax they are calculating the income tax in section wise. If I'm giving you an example, income tax percentage. Income and tax percentage. If I'm giving you an example, income and tax percentage. If that income is first 500,000, tax percentage is 3. Again, low income families are not paying any tax. Again, tax low income families are not paying tax. Do you know that in Sri Lanka, no any tuition masters, no any tuition masters can be not only us, the ones who are earning. Think that example, 5,000 rupees for one student. One class is having 2,000 students. They have 10 classes per week like that, but they are not paying tax. Do you know that? Do you know that they are not paying tax? First month they can have Land Rover, Range Rover. Next month Land Rover, Range Rover, white color. Next month Land Rover, Range Rover, grey color. Can update, but not paying tax. Because that their income cannot predict. But businessmen, their income, the government can analyze their income. Their income, the government can analyze. But the tuition masters, the tuition feel that government cannot come to the class and they cannot count the head of the students. That's useless. Because sometimes the students may come, sometimes the students may not come, sometimes that students may leave the class, sometimes that student count may be low. Sometimes that teacher is doing through online, don't know how to get the value of their income. Okay, that's why. So income of the tuition field is not calculating for the tax. Okay, so that is not to go for the kind of that poor tuition field, poor teachers like us, for the kind of rich teachers, which means that they are earning kind of 40-50 millions per month. Okay, that persons are not calculating for the tax. Okay, because that their income is cannot be predicted. That's why. Okay, so that means they are taking first 500,000 of the income is not calculated for tax free. Second 500,000 is for 4%. This is usual income tax regulation. Income tax charge. Third 500,000 for 8%. Fourth 500,000 for under 12%. Then the highest main question is third term. Grade 11 third term 12%. Grade 10 now Sunimal's annual income. Annual income. We are considering here annual income. Okay, annual income. Sunimal's annual income is 1,700,000 rupees. Calculate the total income tax Sunimal needs to pay. When? Calculate total income tax that Sunimal needs to pay. Find that, Putala. Calculate total income tax that Sunimal needs to pay. So I'll arrange another day for you to give you grade 11 percentage. After that video, I'm going to merge that two videos. Or I can give that. I can upload that two videos as 1 and 2. Okay, percentage 1 and 2. So I'll upload this video within 2-3 weeks. So by watching them, you can get the kind of brief knowledge about percentage just before your exams. Okay, then I can cover another section, a brief section of your oral paper by using this video. Okay. That Sunimal's income is 1,700,000. I told you, you cannot calculate the percentage directly because you have to consider it section wise. From this 1,700,000, from this 1,700,000, first 500,000 is free of tax. Free of tax. Second 500,000 is counting under 4%. Under 4%. Income 500,000, 4%. That income 500,000 4%. මේ මම section wise ගන්න කොටස් ගන්න. Third 500,000 is counting under 8%. Third 500,000 is counting under 8%. Is that anyone here can please tell me how much is remaining under? Yes, Suvindu, how much is remaining under fourth category? මේ fourth category එකේ ලක්ෂ 5ම මෙතන නෑනේ. ලක්ෂ කීයද ඉතුරු වෙලා ඉන්නේ? දැන් මෙතන 5යි, මෙතන 5යි, මෙතන 5යි 1,500,000. තව කීයක් තියෙනවද?
ලක්ෂ දෙක.
ලක්ෂ දෙක. ඒ 1,700,000. දැන් මෙතනට එනකොට 1,500,000. තව කොච්චරක් ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙනවද third එකට? 200,000. 200,000 is considering under 12% category. තේරුණාද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? උවිදු තිලින විසිනු
Yes, sir.
දැන් නම් කට්ටිය හොඳට මම ආවිවත් නේ.
තේරුණා සර්.
අපි වැඩි වෙන ටක්කලවතු. හරි. Then find it. CO to CO cancel, CO to CO cancel. Then 4 into 5 20. CO 20,000 for the first category. Then CO to CO cancel, CO to CO cancel. 40,000 for the second category. 40,000 for the second category. This is CO to CO cancel. Then 24,000 for the third category. Now what's the total income? 20,000 plus 40,000 plus 24,000. How much? How much? How much? That means I think right, that red color one is not clear for you. This is 20,000. This is 40,000. If I simplify this, this is 24,000. If I add them all, 20,000 plus 40,000 plus 24,000. If I add them all, how much? 44,000 plus 4,000, 84,000. 84,000 rupees. 84,000 rupees is the total income tax. බලන්න categories වලට කඩලා ගන්න ඕනේ. කලින් ඒවා වගේ නෙමෙයි. දැක්කද? දැක්කද? තේරුණාද? තේරුණාද? Then there is another question that can be asked. Can I erase this, guys? They will give you in inverse way. Again, that means they will give you the income tax and they will ask to find the annual income. අනිත් පැත්තට අහන්නේ. එහෙනම් මේගොල්ලෝ කියනවා annual income tax is 96,000 rupees. Calculate the annual income. Calculate the annual income. Calculate the annual income. Income tax is 96,000. Calculate the annual income based on the same table. Based on the same table. ඔයාලා දන්නවා මේ මිනිස්සයාගේ if that person is paying income tax හොඳට අහගන්න මේක තමයි මාරුව. If that person is paying income tax, that means this person's income is having first 500,000. That means free tax එක තියෙනවා. මෙයා ඉන්නවා. අපි කලින් හෙව්වා second 500,000 වලට you have to pay 20,000 rupees tax. Second 500,000 වලට you have to pay under 4%. 4% කියන්නේ 20,000 rupees. You have to pay 20,000 rupees tax. For the third 500,000, you have to pay 40,000 rupees tax. 40,000 rupees tax. 40,000 rupees tax. 40,000 rupees tax. Now, when you comes up to the third category, how much income tax you paid totally? Up to here, not totally. Up to here, how much income tax you paid? 60,000. But his total income tax is how much? 96,000. His total income tax is how much? 96,000. And how much he is paying as tax in this fourth category? Fourth category क्या tax से revision किया क्यों? How much he is paying as tax in the fourth category? How much he is paying as tax in the fourth category? Yes. Again, up to here, 60,000 is paying as a tax. And total tax is 96,000. And the remaining 36,000, he is paying under fourth category. And a category is income. You don't know that income. What can be 500,000? 500,000 income you don't know, but you know the percentage is 12%. You know the percentage is 12%. තේරුණාද equation එක හදාගත්ත විදිය ළමයි? තිරින තේරුණාද?
ඔව් සර්.
තේරුණ නැති එක්කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා නම් අහන්නත් උත්සර. වැයුණාට කමන්නේ. තව පොඩ්ඩ වෙලාවයි ඉතින් ඉවරයි දැන්. හොඳයි. ඉවරයි වගේ තමයි. Raise your hand if you didn't get this. Raise your hand if you didn't get this. මෙච්ච වෙලාවක් හිටපු එකේ පුතේ තේරුණ නැත්නම් අහන්න නැතුව ඉන්නේ අපරාධේ. ඔව් පුතේ. මාටිනා මනුල පවන් කොකද පුතේ තේරුණ නැත්තේ? මනුල කොතනද බැටි තේරුණ නැත්තේ?
200,000 400,000 going down.
කොතන මොකද පුතේ?
200,000 400,000
20,000 40,000.
ඔව් විතර 500,000 ලින්ද ගන්නවා.
Oh, 500,000 කියන පුතේ දැන් මම හිතන්නේ පුතේ මට first 500,000 free of charge ඒ කියන්නේ මේ මාසෙක first 500,000 එක ඉන්නවා income එක අනිවාර්යෙන් ඉන්නවා completelyම එයා ඉන්නවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මාස tax එකක් ගෙවන්නේ නේද? second 500,000 පුතේ complete වුණොත් එයා පුතේ tax එක ගෙවන්න ඕනේ 20,000. එහෙනම් එතන 20,000ම complete ඉන්නවනේ නේද?
හරි දෙන්න. Thank you.
third category එකේ පුතේ 500,000ම complete වුණොත් 40,000 නේ පුතේ tax එක වෙන්නේ. ඒත් එතන 40,000ම ඉන්නවනේ. Then third up to the third category එක වෙනකොට total income tax එක වෙන්නේ 60,000 නේද? එහෙනම් fourth category එකේ කීයද පුතේ tax එක නිතිපු ටික 36,000. and total income tax එක 96,000. එහෙනම් fourth category එකේ 36,000. එහෙනම් fourth category එකේ 36,000 income tax එක දන්නවා. income එක දන්නේ නැහැ, rate එක දන්නවා 12/100. තේරුණාද පුතේ? මනුල
ඔව් සර්.
දැන් පුතේ මේක x1 යන්නේ. multiply by 100 divide by 12 divide by 12. එතකොට මේ 12 ට 12 කට් වෙනවා, 100 ට 100 කට් වෙනවා. මෙතන 36 ට 12 කට් වුණාම 3. ඩොට් එනවා කීයද? third category එකේ කීයක් කියනවද එතකොට? 3 lakh or 300,000. දැන් එහෙනම් මේ මිනිස්සෙගේ total income tax එක කීයද? 500,000 first එකේ complete, second එකේ 500,000 complete, third එකේ 500,000 complete, හැබැයි final එකේ 300,000 විතරයි ඉන්නේ. Now what is the total income tax? 500,000 300,000. Now total income tax is 1,800,000. 1,800,000. තේරුණාද මිසිනු?
Yes, sir.
ඔක තේරුණාද කියලා කියනවා නම් උත්සල අහන්න බැරි මෙච්ච වෙලා හිටපු වෙලේ අන්තිම ඊට වෙයි. That's all. මාටිනා තේරුණාද ඔබ? පිළින something tell you we are
ඔව් සර්.
last one. Can I erase this guys? Last one. custom duty and VAT both are behaving as the same. එකම equation එක වගේ යන්නේ. VAT value added tax. එහෙනම් VAT considered for added value into x over 100. මේ added value කියන්නේ custom duty එකත් මේ වගේම තමයි. duty එකත් මේකමයි. duty equals duty එක අපි ගහන්නේ කොහෙද? duty එක ගහන්නේ කොහෙද? when we are importing something නේ. when we are importing an object අපි mobile phone එකක් ගේද්දි අපේ port එකේ මොනවද අපේ මේ immigration මොනවද immigration නෙමෙයි මොකද custom එක. they are charging a duty. okay. I got discouraged. Duty කියන්නේ මොකද? That you know, duty is charging for the total cost. Total cost කියන්නේ shipping cost. That the price of the car in example, if it is a car, the price of the car in Japan plus shipping cost plus transportation cost plus labor cost. The total cost they are calculating, and the duty 3%, example 300% charging for the total cost. So Japan පුතේ ලක්ෂ 20කට ගන්න දීප වාහනේ මෙහෙටදී ලක්ෂ 80ක් විතර වෙනවනේ. හරියට සාධාරණයි. Because they are charging the custom duty for the total cost. Total cost, not for the price in the Japan. Total cost. ඒකට අප තනිකම ඔක්කොම එකතු වෙලා ආපු value එකට තමයි custom duty එක ගන්න. Value added tax කියන්නේ ඒ වගේ එකක්. that හිතන්න මේ shirt එක කියලා. The produce of this shirt is making a kind of cost. Cost means material cost, labor cost, transport cost, everything. The total of the cost we called as added value. Then government is charging a VAT for the what? Added value. Produce is charging that VAT also from whom? VAT එක අල්ලන්නේ කාගෙන්ද? අපෙන්ම තමයි. තේරුණාද? තේරුණාද පුතේ? Tuvia? Though that is the behavior of VAT and duty. And duty equals total cost into x over 100. Got it, Tuvia?
Yes, sir.
VAT එකෙන් ගානක් හදලා නවත්තමු. Added value of a t-shirt is 1,200 rupees. Calculate the percentage of VAT if they charge, if the government charge if the government charge 36, if the government charge 36, if the government charge 36, if the government charge if the government charge 36, if the government charge 36, 360 rupees VAT. Fine. In this question, VAT is 360, added value is 1200 into x over 100. They are asking about percentage of VAT x. So cut 2 zeros to 2 zeros, then 360 equals 12x divided by 12 divided by 12. X will give you what? 30%. In our VAT is what? VAT percentage is what? 30%. So I think, my dear kids, is there anyone here who didn't get this? Is there anyone here who didn't get this? Raise your hand. Okay. I think that within 2 hours or less than 2 hours, I covered that entire syllabus of grade 9 and 10. So I'll have another session for you. I think it needs only 1 hour, not 2 hours, to cover grade 11 part. So this is all about grade 9 and 10 11, grade 9 and 10 percentage. And this video is suitable or not only for you, for the British syllabus students also. Okay, that means Cambridge and Edexcel all are doing the same thing. But all of these structures are in their one lesson. Okay, so that is the difference. So my 2 videos means they are one lesson. Okay, so guys, please study them all. Try to do more questions by using past papers. So you have to use a kind of source of order past paper. You have to observe that questions from it. You have to get more questions. Select more past paper questions and try to do them. Improve your knowledge about percentage and try to score a good mark for your term test and your O-level exam. Okay, guys. See you again and good night. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good night.